Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a veil shard and fish it. So the veil shard is a glowing crystal that is needed to create your own charms in the lava basin. And if you're wondering where to get the veil shard or the crystal, this is how you can do it. So the veil shard actually can be found inside the lava basin. You just need to use the pickaxe, this one, and then you can just find the crystal by mining the crystal around the lava basin. You can just find the glowing purple crystal. Just go near it and find whether it can be mined or extract or not. I don't know if it's like the cave crystal where there is a specific time that you need to that allows you to mine the crystal, because I cannot do that. I don't know why, but previously I can do it. Let's see. So I think there might be a specific time where you can get the veil shard, but here I actually already got two. So as you guys can see, this is a crafting material earned by mining crystal. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can get the veil shard and fish it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.